The Black Edition really is designed for the pro growers, and part of that is utilizing Pro Mode. The Black Edition really represents the grow community and grow culture in a great way. It doesn't only look great, but it also has plenty of new functions to back it up. We've also incorporated the newest Samsung Spider LED, an improved, stronger growing light, which really increases the light output, light intensity. I've really seen explosive growth using this new light, and it's really made turnaround times of growing and harvesting much quicker with better yields and better quality. It is run by an app which tells you all of the details within the environment and the water. What Pro Mode is a mode within the app that removes all automation, but it allows you full control over all the components. And really just brings all the functions into one pro-designed grow box that is really designed for pro growers and people who have strong cultivation background. From the air pump that oxygenates the roots, draining the reservoir, automating or setting your own light and fan schedule. You can change the fan speeds to either increase, decrease humidity and or temperature. It really speaks to the pro growers who are part of the grow culture and really understand growing. The box takes out all the footwork and minor details that you have to pay attention to and allows you to refocus that attention onto the actual plant and carrying and putting attention into the actual plant and maximizing its growth. Kind of removes that guesswork out and lets you really focus on putting attention into the plant. The Black Edition now has 3 USB ports, which not only brings you more capability of running more accessories, but there's also double the power output. So it really allows you to run more powerful accessories, fans, dehumidifiers, humidifiers. Being able to run a camera and view your plants at all times is really a big upgrade, which is really unheard of until now. It would be great to add an additional box or even 2 into the workflow, especially since all the boxes, you're doing the same things within the same period of time. It really makes it easy to increase your yield with minimal work and really increase your yield by 2 or 3-fold. It's a very easy way to do so. The Black Edition really represents the grow community and grow culture in a great way.